Hello everybody, we're going to be opening our Pro Pack and 7 Scrimmage Packs. Let's see what we get, shall we? Okay, so we got nothing for the Scrimmage Packs. Bronze. Another bronze. Quicksilver. Another bronze. Bronze trophy. Another bronze trophy. A silver trophy. So that's all that's going to be today. For now, I'll see you later.